Today we will discuss concept of evaluation, very important topic in education. Evaluation is the systematic process of determining the worth or value of something, typically a program, project, product or policy. Evaluation can refer to both formative evaluation, which takes place during the development and implementation of a program, and summative evaluation, which takes place at the end of program to assess its overall effectiveness. Here we will discuss assessment of student learning. Evaluation helps determine what students have learned and how well they have achieved the learning objectives. Second one is feedback for improvement. Evaluation provides feedback to both students and teachers, allowing them to identify areas for improvement and make necessary changes. Third one is diagnostic tool or diagnostic evaluation. Evaluation can serve as a diagnostic tool, helping teachers identify the specific strengths and weakness of individual students and adjust their instruction accordingly. Fourth one is setting standards. Evaluation helps establish standards for what students should know and be able to do at various stages of their education. Fifth one is motivation, very important. Evaluation can motivate students by providing them with the sense of accomplishment when they perform well and by getting goals for future improvement. Fifth one is fairness. Evaluation helps ensure fairness in the assessment of student learning, as it provides objective and reliable data that can be used to make informed decisions.